Set B Q3 solution. Explanation. Create a replace trigger T6 inches. This line indicates that a new trigger named T6 should be created or replaced if it already exists. Before insert or update on menu for each row, this line specifies that the trigger should execute before any row is inserted or updated in the menu table. New refers to the values being inserted or updated in the current row. If new price less than equals 10, then this line checks if the value of price in the current row is less than or equal to 10. If it is, then the T6 exception is raised. Raise T6. This line raises the T6 exception if the if condition is true. Exception when T6, then this line specifies that if the T6 exception is raised, the following code block should be executed. RDBMS _output.put_ line price should be greater than 10. This line prints a message to the console indicating that the value of price is not valid.